In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional Facebook post ad in Canva. Let's start right from the Canva homepage. You'll see a menu that helps you jump into different project types. Go ahead and click on Templates. This is where Canva keeps thousands of ready-made designs so you don't have to begin from a blank canvas. Templates are an amazing shortcut because they give you a layout that's already balanced, readable, and designed to catch attention in a busy feed. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook post ad. This tells Canva to show templates built for square, feed-friendly formats that work well on Facebook. You'll notice a wide range of styles and industries. Even if you're new to design, this search helps you land on the right size and structure right away, which saves time and prevents awkward cropping later. Now, browse through the template options at your own pace. Look for something that matches your message and brand personality. Pay attention to contrast and hierarchy. Strong headlines, simple backgrounds, and one clear call to action perform well. If your brand leans minimal, choose clean lines and plenty of white space. If it's bold, lean into rich colors and striking imagery. You can also hover over designs to get a quick feel for how elements are arranged before committing. When you find a design you like, click on Customize this template. This opens the template in the Canva editor so you can make it your own. Think of the template as a flexible framework. You're about to tailor it to your product, service, or announcement without reinventing everything from scratch. Inside the editor, start by editing the text. Replace the headline with a clear benefit or offer, keep it concise, and use a readable font weight. Update the smaller body copy to support the headline with just one or two key details. Adjust the call to action text so it's direct and specific. Next, swap the image or graphic with something relevant to your brand. You can upload your own photo or choose one from Canva's library. Align colors with your branding by updating the background, shapes, and text colors so everything feels consistent. If you have a logo, drag it in and place it where it's visible but not overpowering. Nudge elements into alignment using smart guides, keep margins consistent, and ensure there's enough contrast for accessibility. Finally, zoom out to check the overall balance. Ask yourself if the message reads clearly at a glance, since most viewers will see it quickly while scrolling. And that's it. You clicked Templates, searched for Facebook post ad, browsed until you found the right fit, customized the template, and refined the details so it's ready to stand out professionally in the feed.